Have you ever dreamt of becoming a millionaire? It's a common aspiration, yet many of us believe it's out of reach unless we're earning a high income. This is a misconception. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you have. This video is here to shatter those illusions and provide a step-by-step guide on how to navigate your way to $1 million, even with a modest income. Ready to start your journey towards financial freedom? Stay tuned. First things first, you need to split your income wisely. Now you might be wondering, what does splitting your income wisely mean? It's not about dividing your paycheck between a night out and a new pair of shoes. Rather, it involves creating different categories for your income and allocating a specific percentage to each. Let's dive into this strategy a bit more. Picture your income as a pie. This pie needs to be sliced into 4 pieces: necessities, short-term savings, long-term investments, and personal use. Your first slice, and often the biggest, is for your necessities. This includes your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and other bills. Generally, around 50 to 60% of your income should be allotted here. It's important to live within your means, and this slice ensures you're not living beyond them. Next, we have short-term savings. This slice is for the unexpected: car repairs, medical emergencies, or that sudden job loss. Aim to put around 20% of your income here. This allows you to have a safety net, ensuring you won't be left high and dry when life throws a curveball. Then comes the long-term investment slice. This is your ticket to becoming a millionaire. Around 15 to 20% of your income should go here. This money could be invested in stocks, real estate, or a retirement fund. Over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest, this slice can grow significantly. Lastly, the personal use slice. This is your fun money, about 5 to 10% of your income. Whether it's for a vacation, a fancy dinner, or a new gadget, this slice ensures you're rewarding yourself without derailing your financial goals. This income split strategy is not a rigid rule, but a guideline. Adjust it as per your needs and financial goals. The key here is to be consistent and disciplined with your allocations. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you use it. And this strategy is your tool to use it wisely, paving your way to becoming a millionaire. Now, let's talk about boosting your income with a side hustle. A side hustle is more than just a part-time job. It's a venture that you're passionate about, and it has the potential to generate significant extra income. Some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs started their empires as side hustles. Take, for example, Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She started her billion-dollar empire as a side business while selling fax machines door-to-door. Or consider Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, who built the first Apple computer in a garage. These side hustles didn't just supplement their income, they transformed their lives. So how do you go about starting a side hustle? First, identify your skills, interests, or hobbies that could potentially generate income. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or you make the best homemade candles in town. Whatever it is, there's likely a market for it. Next, do your research. Understand the market, identify your target audience, and figure out how you can reach them. Remember, the internet is a powerful tool that can help you connect with customers globally. Once you've done your groundwork, it's time to take action. Start small, test your product or service, and be ready to learn and adapt. It might seem daunting at first, but every successful side hustle starts with that first bold step, and crucially, be consistent. Like any successful business, a profitable side hustle requires time, effort, and patience. It won't happen overnight, but with diligence and dedication, your side hustle can grow from a seed of an idea into a fruitful enterprise. Importantly, choose a side hustle that you're passionate about. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work, and that passion will shine through in your product or service, making it more appealing to potential customers. So, are you ready to take that leap and start your own side hustle? Remember, this could be more than just a way to make extra money. It could be your ticket to financial freedom. Your side hustle could be the key to accelerating your journey to becoming a millionaire. Investing is the secret sauce to growing your wealth. Now let's get this straight. Investing isn't some magical pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. It's a disciplined, strategic approach to multiplying your money over time. And the best part? It's not rocket science. To start, understand the power of investing and compounding. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. That's compounding. Your investments earn returns, and those returns are reinvested to earn more returns. Over time, this results in exponential growth of your wealth. Next up, diversification. Picture a seesaw. If you sit on one end, you're likely to come crashing down. But if you distribute your weight evenly, you'll maintain balance. In investing, diversification is your safeguard against the highs and lows of the market. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you mitigate risk and create a more stable financial future. But here's the deal. Investing isn't without risk. It's like sailing in the open sea. Sometimes it's smooth sailing. Other times, you're up against stormy waters. That's where risk management comes in. This involves understanding your risk tolerance and making informed decisions to protect your investments. Now, how do you get started? First, educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, follow financial news. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Next, start small. You don't need a fortune to begin investing. Even a modest amount can grow significantly over time. Remember, the goal of investing isn't to get rich quick, it's to grow your wealth gradually, to create a robust financial foundation that will support you in the long run. It's about making your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. So, take a step today. Dip your toes into the world of investing. It might seem daunting at first, but with time and practice, you'll find your stride. After all, smart investing is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. We've journeyed through a wealth of knowledge today, outlining a clear path to financial freedom and prosperity. The road to becoming a millionaire may seem steep, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. But remember, this isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about creating a life of freedom, security, and abundance. It's about being able to make choices without financial constraints, about creating a legacy that lasts beyond your lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today. Split your income, start a side hustle, invest wisely, and watch your millionaire dream become a reality. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are worth every step. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire starts with one step. Begin your journey today. Before we wrap up, let's make sure you don't miss out. You've already taken your first step towards financial independence, and it's incredible that you've stuck with us this far. Now we want to ensure that you continue this journey with us, growing and learning each step of the way. So here's what we need to do. First, if you found value in this video, let's spread the knowledge by hitting that like button. It helps others like you discover this content and embark on their own journey to wealth. Next, we'd love for you to become a part of our community. Click that subscribe button and join us. We're a group of like-minded individuals, all striving for financial freedom, and we'd be thrilled to have you on board. And remember, each video we create is designed to bring you one step closer to your financial goals. We aim to provide you with practical tips, strategies, and insights that you can apply in your own life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking action. I will see you in the next video.